This is Max Person, and he made over $40,000 with school. He won Alex Hormozi's school games competition, and he got to spend one day with Alex and the other winners in Las Vegas at Alex Hormozi's headquarters. He recently revealed the exact strategy he uses, and I'm going to show you. So the first thing that he does is he gets traffic. And he gets his traffic through two sources. Well, three if you count that organic is split into two. So number one is organic. And so he gets traffic from his YouTube channel and his Instagram page. He does that by providing great value about how exactly to grow a school group, because that's what Max teaches. Now, once he gets this traffic and gets their eyeballs, he then sends them to his free community, where he gives them even more value. He actually has a step-by-step course about how to start and launch your school community. He calls it the School Masterclass. I think the entire thing is like 7 hours. He gives away the first bit for free. But once he gets people into the free community, he gives them a crazy amount of value. And then, from that free community, he sends them to, can you guess what this is? That's fine, I probably couldn't either. He books them into a call. So he gets them an onboarding call where he provides even more value. He might be detecting a theme here. But he provides the value and then gets them on the call. And then he says, hey, if you're interested, I actually have, drum roll please, a paid community that you can go into, where I give you the full course and you get calls with me every day, which is really cool. It's a really cool strategy, and at its bare minimum, this is what he does. He gets traffic to the free community, he then books a call with them, and then he gets them into the paid community, and that's how he makes his money. He made, over $40,000 just by doing this, which is pretty crazy. Now, what he also does, because he ran a social media marketing agency before, he actually also runs paid ads. So let me get this down here. This is the ads portion. Now, he sends them to the free community. Now, you might think that you'd send your ads, the paid stuff out there, the paid traffic you're getting, to the paid community, right? But no, he sends it to the free community because he wants to provide them great value and help them out, even if they're not paying. And then eventually, they'll see, wow, this is really good stuff, and head to the paid community. So now, another thing he does is he will take these people, right, and he'll get them out here into this little bucket. Pardon my drawing, but this is the bucket of people, right? Bucket of happy people, yes. And so he sends these people that come from the paid ads into this bucket. He then will direct them to the paid community with retargeting, more ads, and then the other thing he does is he sends out emails. So from this free community, he will then send people, send people emails, right? And this redirects them to use the free community, right? And then also directs them to book an onboarding call. And then also it directs them to the paid community. And this is his full process. He gets traffic, right? Sends it to the free community, sends it to a call, but he also starts sending them emails. And then from the call, he directs them to the paid community. And from the emails, he directs them to the call and directs them to the paid community as well. And then all these people who he gets from ads, he sends them into the free community, which then go to the same email process, but they also get retargeted with more ads and with specific emails, and then that sends them into the paid community. Now, his community is $125 a month. He has, I don't know, in his free community like 40,000 members or something, and then he's got, I don't know, probably a couple hundred at this point of paid members. I might be wrong, but it's a really good model, and I've tried this. I haven't had much success with it yet because I'm just getting started. I'm still even working on my offer too, so this is a very interesting process, but I really like this visual, and I really like the way it's set up and the ease and the simplicity of it. You just got to figure out, what do you have to figure out? So you have to figure out the free traffic and then the paid ad. So I have this portion, and it will actually soon become a paid community. So I have a free right now, and that's a lot of E. And then I'm going to get it to become a paid community. Hope that you enjoyed Max's strategy. Peace.